Hey, everybody, it's time for some tough love to help make your email marketing, audience growth, and engagement better today. Today, we're talking about welcome messages. And the tough love here is if you don't have an automatic welcome message set up so when people sign up for your list, they get contact from you right away, you're missing out completely. What am I talking about with these messages? This is an example from Josh Spector, who runs a newsletter called For the Interested, which is a great newsletter, but he's got an amazing welcome message. You can see he leads with an interesting quote and introduces himself to you as a user. You get this as soon as you opt into his list. And the thing that he does here that I think is just genius is he asks his people who have just signed up, his new subscribers, to reply to this email. And he's not just doing a generic reply to this email and I might respond. He's saying, if you reply, I'm going to do two things. He's making this promise to people that he's going to follow up with two things that provide value. First is he's going to give this person a suggestion. And second, he's going to promote the work that he finds really awesome. These are two pieces of value he's immediately giving to his audience. So this is great. It's a pretty simple, straightforward email. How do you set up a welcome message? In Aweber, I'm in Campaigns, which is under the Messages tab. And I'm going to create a new campaign just to walk you through this process. A very cool thing that Aweber has is we have a bunch of different templates for things like welcome series, blogger series, lead magnets, all sorts of neat things. And I would encourage you to use one of those. But just to show you how easy this can be for you so you don't have to spend a ton of time on it, I'm going to start from scratch. So I'll create a blank campaign and call it my welcome campaign. Create that. Now you see that there are two ways I can set this up. If I just want this to go out to all my new subscribers, which if you don't have a welcome message right now and you're running a newsletter, just set it up on subscribe for all users. If you have different tags applied based on where people sign up, whether they're signing up on your website or whether they're being added once they make a purchase from you, you can start your campaign when a specific tag is applied. But for the time being, let's just say for all subscribers, I want to welcome them in the same way. All I have to do is pull in send a message and then either choose an existing message I've already created or create a message. I want to encourage you not to overthink this. Just go in, create a message. I'm just going to pull in a placeholder message for the time being. But get that welcome message in there. Then you're going to hit save and exit. And when you're ready to turn this on, you just click on the draft button, hit activate campaign. Oops. Now it's active and all of my new subscribers to this list are going to get a welcome message and I'll have a chance to immediately engage with them. So go do this. Let me know if you have any questions. We're here at Aweber. Our CS team is here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So please reach out if you need help. And I hope you go make somebody's life better today.